Trina Vertex solar panels are known for their high efficiency. They have a long lifespan and robust performance. These panels often exceed 21% efficiency. Some models reach 27%. It includes multi-busbar half-cut cells and larger 210mm silicon wafers. They deliver high-power outputs. Some models exceed 600 watts per panel. The Vertex N series can generate up to 720 watts. The panels use bifacial options, multi-busbar technology, and a half-cut cell design. This boosts their performance and durability. Trina Vertex panels are built to endure harsh conditions. They are rigorously tested to ensure long-term reliability. They are built to last. Their warranties are 12 to 30 years. The dual-glass modules are more durable and less prone to degradation. These traits make Trina Vertex panels a great choice. They suit uses from homes to large commercial projects. Are you considering them for a specific project? Contact now Aussie Solar Tech.